Hello students, welcome to SST class. Let us continue the third lesson, climate, page number 201. In the previous class, we learnt about the weather, climate and the factors influencing climate of a place. Now let us continue. Distance from the sea. Observe the picture carefully. Coastal areas have a moderate climate as compared to those that are farther from the sea. Coastal areas are near to the sea and they have a moderate type of climate. This is because water heats up and cools down slower than land. The water heats up faster and cools down slower than the land. When the land gets hot, the warm air on it rises. In coastal areas, the cooler air coming in from the sea or sea breeze immediately takes its place. It is for this reason that coastal areas are cool in summers and warm in winters. Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. Warm air can hold more water vapor than cold air. Thus, air in places near the equator holds lots of water that evaporates from oceans and other water bodies. This moisture-laden air causes much rain in the equatorial region and makes its climate hot and wet. Equatorial region have climate hot and wet. Deserts do not have much humidity in the air and thus have little rainfall. If there is much moisture, means if there is more water vapor in the air, that is moisture, then that area or that place will get lots of rain. If it doesn't have water vapor or moisture in the air, then it will not have rainfall. Page number 202. Height above the sea level, altitude. Height above the sea level, that is altitude. You can see in the picture of hill station. Hill stations are favorite tourist spots. Even the summer months in places like Nainital and Ooty are quite pleasant, aren't they? Yes, they are quite pleasant. They are very beautiful to see. The nature, the mountains and the climate. In hilly areas and mountainous areas, the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. In fact, many mountainous peaks do not have any human settlements because of the extreme cold conditions over there. Due to the extreme cold condition, there no people stay there. There is no human settlement over the mountains. Prevailing winds. Winds may be of different types depending from where they come. There may be hot winds, cool winds or moisture-laden winds. Because of these features, winds tend to influence the climate of a place. The monsoon winds coming from the Arabian Sea bring rain to several parts of India. The monsoon winds coming from the Arabian Sea bring rain to several parts of India. On the other hand, the hot winds in the desert region of Rajasthan blow over Delhi and are responsible for its hot summers. Words to know. Altitude means height of a place. Humidity, degree of moisture in the atmosphere. Torrid, intensely hot, very hot. Frigid, very cold. Let us revise. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a particular place for a particular time. Second, climate is the average weather condition over a long period of time. Third, the further one moves from the equator, the colder the climate becomes. The higher of a place is above sea level, the cooler is the climate. Coastal areas are cool in summers and warm in winters. Here ends the lesson. Let us see in the next class. Thank you.